There are two very easy ways to highlight text in Davinci Resolve. It is so easy that you can do it on the edit page. Here on the edit page I have an image with text. Now go to effects, generators, and then select the solid color and place it above the image layer. Now select the solid color and change the color to something like yellow, and then go to settings, and down you will find composition. Change it to color. You can try decreasing the opacity, but I will keep it on the 100%. Now you have to crop this. You can crop it from here, but that's boring. Under the viewer you will get this drop down. Select crop and it will give you the points. You can click and drag to resize it. After cropping you can start adding keyframe. Now let's add a keyframe here. I'm gonna add a keyframe on the crop right, and then go to the beginning, and you can change it from here or you can change it from here. Now if we turn this off and play, it has been highlighted. Now click on the spline, select all and press this icon. It will smooth your animation. Now to increase or decrease the speed, let's say I want to highlight the whole text in this time. So click on this keyframe, drag the end keyframe to the point you want the highlighted to complete, and now it will do it faster. See? So that was the first method. In the second method, you can right click on the clip and open it Fusion. Now press Ctrl space and type BG. Take the background and connect it with this image, and it will be all black. Click on the background and change it to yellow. Now select the merge, and from the apply mode select darken. Now to create a box you have to add a rectangle mask to the background. Press Ctrl space and type RT and it will give you a rectangle. Connect the rectangle with the blue input of the background and it will mask the background. Now select the rectangle and then create a box, and here you get more options, like you can round the edges of this box or you can make it a little soft edge, the marker type look, but I will go with the sharp edge. After you get your box, now to animate it, you will see if you select the rectangle and move it, then it doesn't move the way we want it to. So to animate it, we're going to apply a mask over this whole node. So you can copy this rectangle and use it, but to demonstrate it I'm going to take a new one, and you see I took a rectangle. So if I connect the input to the merge, it will mask everything and it will show everything that is inside this rectangle. So if we expand this, now we can animate this rectangle to make the animation happen. At the beginning the rectangle should be out of the box. Add a keyframe and then let's say after 20 frames take this box inside. Now if we see, we have our animation. Now again select the rectangle, go to the spline, make sure these are all checked, fit to zoom, Ctrl A and S to smooth the animation. Now you will see the animation is much smoother. But because you have the spline panel, now you get more control in the animation. Make it the curve like this. The animation will be kind of like this. So that's how you can highlight any text in Davinci Resolve.